Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Afan Farizal. I from Program Studi Management 2022 Kelas A. NPM 22411102. Why stock is a key aspect of business. By understanding in process of inventory management, companies get better operational efficiency, minimizes risks, and provide better customer service, which in turn contributes to business growth and success. Sales are the main aspect of business because they have several advantages successes. Number one, source of funding. Shares are one way for companies to avoiding sources of funding in selling shares. The company can collect funds for investor who bought the shares. In this way, the company can avoiding the capitals needed to develop its business. Shareholders have voting rights. Shareholders have voting right at the General Meeting of Shareholders (GMS) to determine company policy. At the GMS, share owners can vote to approve already company policy, such as electing the store of distributing dividend. Potential profits. Stock can also provide potential profits for investor if the company grows and develops its share price get influence to investor and can sell their shares at the higher price than the initial purchase price. Effect of excess or lack of stock. The impact of surplus of shortage of supplies in business can have significant consequences on the operational, financial, and reputation of a company. Excess and stock of stock can affect business performance. Here are some of the advantages of disadvantages of operating that can be found. Advantages of stock. Number one, increase the ability to meet suddenly scarcity customer demands. Can take advantage of supplier closing discount. Lower costs to customer can attract new customer and give you an edge over competition. Increase brand recognition. Stock grade stock costs for holding excess inventories. Openness of the impossible of this discount of allergy. Perhaps the reset quality forecast good. Their sing stock pullman rates, fill rates. This reduction profit and increasing loss. Supply understanding. Inventory management is at entering products and managing inventory, including organizing and maintaining inventory. Inventory can be in the form of raw material, a quality material, good in process, finishing good, even spare part. Some of the activity carried out in inventory management are starting from how to obtain inventory, starting it until the inventory is utilized. The main function of inventory management is to ensure that supplies of materials are always available. This step is to anticipate if the materials commonly used are not found on market. A stock is a quantity of goods, material, or products stored by a company or entity in a location such as a warehouse or a distribution control for use in production process to meet a customer request or other business purpose. A stock can include a variety of items, including raw material, processed items, finished items, spare parts, and finished production ready for sale. Type of supplies: raw materials, production goods, finished goods. A company inventory or inventory in improvement asset because inventory turnover is main source of income. There are the type of inventory that are commodity count, namely raw materials, semi-finished good, and finished good. The following is a brief explanation of the type of inventory. Number 1. Raw material. Raw material consists of all the items that need to be processed to become the final product. In a convention business, the raw materials for clothing production are fabric, fiber, thread, screen writing tools, and so on. Raw materials in the manufacturing process are usually sources from suppliers. So, there needs to be competing with certain vendors to meet raw materials need. Semi-finished goods. Semi-finished goods are products that have gone through the initial production stage, but are not complete pieces. For example, in a confection business, semi-finished goods are clothes that have begun and sounds but are not completely passed, such as not finishing or not packing. Finished goods. Finished goods are the final product that are ready to be sold. In the confection business, finished goods are a lot says that have been product and are ready to be sent to customer. Apart from the third type inventory, about this are also type of inventory such as MRO, MRU inventory, MRO maintenance and repairs and operating supplies. Is inventory used to maintaining, repairing, and operating production financial. Buffer stock. Buffer stock is additional inventory held in function of inflation in demand or supply. Sale inventory. Clean inventory is an inventory required to meet demand during a production period. Decoupling inventory. Decoupling inventory is inventory that is used to supply different production so that they are not dependent on us or quality material inventory. Acquire material inventory is material that is used at the production process but is not part of the final product. For example, eczemas used in the production process. Establish process inventory. Establish component. Inventory is inventory used to assemble the final product. Stock model. An inventory model is mathematical or analytic tool used in inventory management to assist companies in making decisions related to the quantity of inventory to be ordered, the frequency of ordering, and the timing of the ordering. These models are designed to help companies the right balance between the available inventory and the minimum cost of supplies based on the search result. They are several the risk and method referred to inventory management in companies. Here are some key points related to the topic. Number 1. Inventory is a investment. The recruitment are large amount of capital. The determination of the amount of investment or allocation of capital in inventory has a direct effect of profit. The use of the economic order quality EOQ and just-in-time GET methods can be applied to inventory management in companies. The higher the inventory turnover, the lower the rates of losses due to price decrease or change customer tastes, and the more saving on strong and maintenance cost. The EQ model is of the most well-known inventory models. It helps companies determine the optimal number of orders to be placed in on order. This model takes into account the cost of ordering, stock costs, and demand levels. The ROP model helps the company determine the minimum level of inventory that must exist before additional inventory order are placed. When inventory reaches the ROP level, a new order is placed to prepare inventory stage. The JIT model is a approach the post on procurement of supplies according the customer requirements. That supplies or kept at a very low level. This helps reduce strong costs but requires a highly efficient supply chain. Companies must be able to manage inventory well because high amount of inventory can enable the company to meet customer needs, but high inventory can hide the company cost low. On way to manage inventory well are to CUTEUK, economic order quantity method which can help companies determine the optimal amount of inventory. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.